Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. I did go ahead and take it out of the box because it was just, the box was destroyed. But I have 3 kits here from Fallon Gems, and I am an affiliate for them. So I did receive one of these canvases for free, which is this mini one. And if you look in the description box down below, you will also find my code and my link to order from them. If you want to try them, you will get money off and I will receive a small commission. So we're just going to jump right into it. So I got one of these kits for free and I bought 2. Since I bought 3 kits, it comes with 3 toolkits here. So you get a tray, wax, some multi-placers, a pen, a pencil grip, and some tweezers here. But that is all standard. And then we are going to talk about these kits, and we will look at the drills as well. So the top 2, this is a Corgi. It is size 20 by 20 centimeters. There is 20 colors, no AB. No ABs, and this is, so I'm looking at the drills here. So this is the drills, and they do come in baggies. We have their logo, Fallon Gems. We have a schematic on each side. And this does not come with any sticker sheets or anything for the drills or like for your logbook, so you would have to print them out, but that is okay with me. You got to pick out the background, so you got to choose the color background you want. This particular kit I got in square, so I'm going to open up these drills and we're going to take a look at them. So there is only, like I said, 20 colors. So we are going to look at these drills. These are acrylic. So I kind of wanted to do them in order. 6, 11, there's 3. Okay. Just looking at them all really fast here. All right. Well, what is one is $3.35. There it is. Okay, so one, it's a $3.35. It is like this little peachy color. These drills actually look really nice. Then we have 2, which is a $4.02, which is a brown. I got square for this kit because I wanted the detail to come out. We have 3, $4.14. So because in the Corgi face, I just really wanted it all to come out and be more present. We have $4.45, which is a gray, like a lighter gray. We have 5, which is $7.79, which is a brown. Move the Corgi out of the way. Which is a brown. I'm going to zoom y'all in. Adjust my camera. So we have a brown. And then 7 is $9.77, which is a light brown. We have 8 is 3021. 9 is 3041, which is like a purple. I'm trying to go in order, guys. So 3042 is another like purplish gray color. We have a pink, which is 3354. It's like a bubblegum pink almost. Oh, I forgot 6. That's right. We have a big bag of 828, which this is going to be the background. And my favorite color is blue. We have, I'm not even going in order anymore, guys. Sorry. 7770, which is like a pale pink. We have 3858, which is another brown. We have 3776. 3688. 3747. We have 3859. 3771. And we have 3772. And last but not least, 3865. So those are all for the Corgi. Just gonna throw those right back in there for now. So that was the first kit I got. The second kit here, which is called the Antisocial Moms Club. So we have that kit. I'm not a big fan of kits with writing on it, but I really did like them, like this one, and they have a lot that deals with moms and mental health, so I really wanted to start with this one. This one is a 30 by 30 centimeter. There's 9 colors, no ABs, and the how to find the drills, it would be 1214. So it's these ones right here, and we'll open these so we can see them. I will say I like how these are square too. So this is a square one as well. I like how bright the drills are, but you don't get the brightness on the canvas. Sorry about the crinkling noise. Grab the drills out quick. Okay. So the first one I grabbed is 3706, which is a pink. We have 3824, 819, 3825. Let's see, 3340. And these drills do look really nice. 3856. Ooh, we have a big bag of 5200, which is the white, which is going to be in the background. We have 945. And we have 875. Or no, wait, we have 3865. Sorry. So that is that kit. And then last but not least, I bought a big kit from her. So this, I'm going to show you on my phone the original image. So this is called Novel Notice. I got this one in a 60 by 70 centimeter. It is going to be in a round. I have never worked on a kit that was double-sided adhesive. So what that means is this is why it doesn't have a clear cover. The last two you saw were poured glue. Most of the canvases I work on are poured glue. This one is not. This one is double-sided adhesive. So you have to be really, really careful to pull up the opaque color. And I'm going to show you, see if I can get this up. I wish it did come in poured glue, so I'm hoping she'll switch. But I'm not going to take it all off because that would just be a pain. This one does have guide circles, which I'm not a big fan of. But that is part of what it looks like. So you just have to be extremely careful when you pull this back. So I'm going to open up another one. Oops, sorry. So we have a nice big section there. I also don't have it turned the right way. So instead of it being a landscape picture, it'll be a portrait style picture. Just want to lay that back down. There we go. And this one has 40 colors, no ABs or anything. So let's take a look at them. Okay. I'm going to just pour them all out. How about that? Oh, and I have a bag that looks like it might be no, I don't. Okay. So we're just going to start with a color here. We have 500, which is like a forest green. We have 3348, kind of a lime, like a darkish lime green. We have 3043, which is, we have some jumpers in there, but it's like a pale yellow. This one is another green. This is 3363. I have 3023. And this one is 647. We have 3778. 154, which is like a plum color. We have 3052, and I call this like an army green. Again, these are acrylic, but they, even through the bag, they're looking great, and they're looking very sparkly. So this is 3864. Ooh, this is one of my favorite colors. 3756. It's like a turquoisey blue. We have 3829 and 3822. We have a big bag of 939. We have 37.99. So I don't think there's any. Oh, okay, I lied. There is some 310, which is a black, but I think most of them are going to be like this navy color, which is 939. And you'll find that 37.99 is another like grayish blue color. And then this one here, 823, is going to be another one that you're going to see like a lot of the background. Why? I had a drill coming out of that one, so I had to fix it. But we have 938 and 948. We have 520, 924. We have 402, 920, 921, 930, and then we have 3768, 355, 779, 3853, 436, 931, 517, 3787, 815. That one is 3862, 645, 3752, 3776, and then we have 579, 794, and then we have 838, which is a dark brown. So I do plan on hopefully hitting one of these up here soon. We just had a kit up video go live the other day. So I am trying to finish some of the kits that I have kitted up and everything, but I do have 3 more to add to my stash. From Fallon Gems. Again, if you are interested in purchasing from them, I would really appreciate it if you would look down in the description box and use my link and code. You will get money off, and it also helps to bring money in for me to put back into the channel. So I really do hope you like this video. I hope to see y'all soon with a kit up of these and probably a finish, because I think I could finish the 20 by 20 in just a couple hours. The 30 by 30 I could probably finish in a couple hours as well. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next one, and until next time, bye.